Hello learners, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Sagar.Utekar and today I'm going to share another job opening with you. Without ado, let's get started. I'll share my screen and let's talk about the JD. Okay, so today's opening is at Deutsche Telekom Digital Labs. They are hiring for two roles, a senior data engineer and DevOps engineer. And as you know, we are on the cloud native side, so we are more interested into DevOps and the SRE role openings. Let's talk about the DevOps engineer role they are hiring for. What they are looking for is 2 to 5 years of relevant experience in DevOps engineering, hands-on with Kubernetes. I'll keep on highlighting the keywords which they are looking for. Docker, Ansible. I don't know why people are still using Ansible or expect to have knowledge about Ansible. Um, ArgoCD, Helm, MLOps, okay, and automation. So this is the skill set, and they want someone to have hands-on experience. It's not like the theory knowledge. Okay. So if you are interested, then you can apply using the given link. I'll share this link in the comment video description so you can check it out. What I'm going to do is that, yeah, but let me be very honest with you. This is a genuine opening. As you know, I only share the genuine openings on my YouTube channel. Break down the JD, share the salary details, interview tips, the interview process, whatever the details I can help you with. If you are someone who is looking for the DevOps SRE job posting, then this is the right channel for you. Let's verify the authenticity. So I got these opening on LinkedIn. So Faizan Ahmed, who is a senior technical acquisition associate at Deutsche Telekom Digital Labs, he posted this, which means it's a genuine opening and it's very fresh, 1 day back. Okay, so what you will need to do, click on this link, fill out the detail. What they are asking, full name, role, which role you are interested, jobs engineer, total year of experience you have, current organization, notice period, current CTC in your in hand, expected CTC, current location, and are you okay to work in hybrid work mode from Gurgaon, and email ID. Okay, so these are the details they are looking for. Let's verify the authenticity of person who has posted this one. Faizan Ahmed. Okay, so he is senior technical acquisition associate, or for us in simple words, a recruiter at Deutsche Telekom Digital Labs, and he has been working there from past 5 years. So definitely this is genuine profile. And okay, so that is what I am going to do different is that, as I've been saying this in my previous videos as well, why not to use AI to get a job? I created a one prompt which we can utilize to get the answers for our questions from AI. Okay, so I have set the persona, the task, the JD content, deliverables, what we want, and the tone in this prompt. So I'll paste the JD for this DevOps engineer role. Okay, I'll simply let me keep one copy. I can use it the next time for the next job opening details as well. And let's edit this prompt for this current opening. Let's paste the JD here. What I'm saying here is that act as a senior executive recruiter and career strategist with deep expertise in industry. So we need to share the industry details, whether it's a cloud native tech or healthcare or fintech. Okay, then we have defined the task for this. Analyze the following JD and provide a strategic briefing to help me land this role. Then we are pasting the JD here. What are the deliverables from the agent? Is the business value. Why? What problem is this company solving by hiring for this specific role right now? Translate the JD responsibilities into 3 business outcomes. The hiring manager, actual case award. Technical and skill gap analysis. Identify the true hard skills versus generic keywords. If I lack um, this skill set, okay, so we need to replace this skill set here. Then what is the best way to translate transferable skill breach I should mention to compensate in my resume? The third deliverable is the interview intel and salary benchmark. Provide a likely four-stage interview roadmap from HR screen to bar raiser. What is the 2026 salary range for this role in Gurgaon? They said Gurgaon, right? Gurgaon. Gurgaon for someone with dash dash years of experience. So I'll put plus years of experience here and break it down by base, bonus, and equity if applicable. The fourth deliverable is high impact content. Give me three accomplishment based bullet points for my resume that show don't tell my expertise in their top two requirements. Write a 150 character hook for LinkedIn message or email to the hiring manager that isn't Chandri. And we have also set the tone. It should be candid, expert, and result oriented. Avoid flow. What extra you can do is that you share your resume um, in this prompt along with this prompt to get the better results. But for now, I'll just simply copy this prompt and go to Google AI mode and ask this. Okay, let's see what result we get. So we have actually got very good result. Okay, as a senior executive recruiter, I have seen this exact 2 to 5 years DevOps profile become the most contested battleground in the 2026 Gurgaon tech market. I think we did one mistake. We did not share the company name. Let me share the company name as well in the JD. What is it? I'll share the JD. And now let's try to ask the question again. Hmm. Now we are getting the better result, isn't it? Perfect. Let's read it out. As a senior recruiter who has placed talent within Deutsche Telekom Digital Labs, I can tell you they operate like a high growth product startup backed by the stability of global telco giant. At 2 to 5 years of experience, you aren't just a doer, you are the engine for the digital transformation. That's like a agentic tone, but let it be. Let's try to understand the business value. So DTDL is building the software layer for Europe's largest telecom. They are hiring for this role to solve the platform fragility and release friction. Three business outcomes the hiring manager cares about is reliability, AI monetization, and developer autonomy. Okay, technical and skill gap analysis. Two hard skills, definitely they want ArgoCD and GitOps expert, Helm and MLOps orchestration. So you need to have this skill set. The transferable skill breach, if you like MLOps or ArgoCD, pure to orchestrated consistency, which means while my current, so even if you don't have the knowledge about the GitOps or the ArgoCD, fine. What AI is saying is that you can still should have the knowledge about the Jenkins and GitLab. Yeah, that's okay. Interview intel and salary benchmarks. So four-stage interview roadmap, the HR discussion, the tech screen, where you will go through the deep dive into Kubernetes, networking, storage, sidecars, and Linux. Okay. The design round, you will be asked to design a CI/CD pipeline for a global scale app. Expect a question on Helm chart structure and rollback strategies. The bar raiser, cultural fit, and ownership mindset. They want people who fix the system, not just the ticket. Salary range for 2 to 5 years of experience, base salary is 18 to 26 LPA. DTDL pays competitively for top tier talent. Okay, that's good. Performance bonus 2 lakh to 4 lakh. Joining bonus 2 lakh. Total target compensation 22 lakh to 33 LPA. So these details, I think it figured out using Glassdoor and all uh, ambition box like platforms. Okay. Um, High impact content, what are the bullet points you should have in your resume? Kubernetes and Helm focused, like architected a multi-tenant, sorry, architected a multi-tenant Kubernetes environment using Helm template, reducing environment provisioning time from 3 days to 15 minutes. Very interesting. ArgoCD and GitOps implemented a GitOps workflow with ArgoCD, achieving a zero-touch deployment model that reduced failed production release by 40%. But MLOps automation engineered automated MLOps pipeline for model training and deployment, cutting the idea to production cycle for AI features by 50%. So if you want these prompt, then comment. Okay. So that is what I wanted to cover and show you how you can use AI for getting a job and genuinely sharing the job opening. If you are enjoying this content, please make sure you like, share, and subscribe my channel. And yeah, that's it for this video. Please make sure you share this video with your friends who are looking for the job in DevOps or SRE field. If you need any help with a resume review or have any question, drop those in the comment section. I'll share all the details in the video description. That for further help, you can also reach out to me on our free community Discord server, and I'll be happy to help. One more thing, we conduct weekly community call on Sunday 9 p.m. IST. If you want to connect with me on face to face or one on one, then you can join that community call and or you can meet me in person at Cloud Native Meetup or the Docker Meetup. Perfect. That's it for this video. See you soon. All the best for your job hunt. Bye. Take care.